Welcome to a new coding challenge. In this challenge, we will see how to go from here to there. So let's start coding. And so first of all, we need OpenCV here because we will use OpenCV to do that transformation. So after importing, let's make a cascade here. So name it as face cascade. So we will use CV OpenCV.to cascade classifier, and in that give their option cv data dot carcass, and then just do this xml file. Okay, then capture the videos using opencv to video capture function, and inside that we will transform it, but after that we want to release that. Okay, so in between we will do that transformation. So now we will implement that transform function. So for that, let's just make a while loop which will continue until we stop the live capture mode. Okay, so while true, so first we have to read the frame, that means read the what we capture from the live image, then convert that into grayscale image, so that will be easy to find. uh, so that will be easy to find the faces. So we will input that image and we'll say just convert into color big gray. So color bgr 2r. So where did you see bgr bg2 gray? Where did you see? Yeah, so this no color. So we have to bgr, yeah, bgr2 gray, yeah, we on this. Okay, so after that we need to detect the faces. So faces using this the face cascade that we made. So detect multiple multi-scale. Okay, then input that grayscale image. Okay, then just give this hyperparameter. Okay, so after recognizing the faces, we have to draw the rectangle around that. So for that, just do this in faces, the coordinate. Okay, then using cv2 we will use rectangle function and draw in the image. Okay, then x comma y. Okay, then use x plus w, y plus h. Okay, then just give the image channel this and there too. Okay, so it will draw the faces. Then we need to show those that image. Okay, just tag it as image and show it. Okay, then we need to say like so we will do this to stop. Okay, until it is 30 seconds, or we um, okay, or if k equal to 27, then stop it. Okay, then stop it. Oh yeah, then that's fine. So if we run that, we will see how it works like this.